Just like last night, he ran up to every table and said, "Hello, my name's..."
Where's the lamb sauce?
Come on, man.
Yeah, but you can suck a fucking Yankee doodles.
But, I took some blocks of butter and shoved it up my butt.
Right. Donkey!